Local news for Tuesday the 13th of August. A group of concerned parents who formed a committee to save the boarding facility Portal House are hosting a fundraising night at the end of next month. The fundraising night will consist of former All Black and Old Boy Stu Wilson being a guest speaker along with a large auction. All money raised will go directly towards the new hostel and tickets are available by emailing help@saveportalhouse.co.nz. Marston and Trust Lands Trust announced positive financial results and an increase in grants for the 12-month ended 31st of March 2019 at its AGM yesterday. The community-owned trust recorded an operating surplus of $5.3 million and a 10.9% increase in equity to $46.3 million. Total grants for the year increased by over 15%. There's been reports of 3 sightings of great white sharks around the White Rock and Tora area. One very large one and 2 smaller ones have apparently been spotted by surfers. According to DOG, their large size, habit of feeding on large prey, such as marine animals, and their propensity to investigate objects floating by the surface by biting them makes sharks attack a potential risk for anyone swimming, diving or surfing. And in sport, in the local hockey competition, the Dalefield women have won the Premier Grade 5-2, while Red Star, undefeated all season, lost to Kia Kaha on penalty shootout after being up 3-1. It's Kia Kaha's 3rd win in the finals.